Good morning, good afternoon. It's your boy, popularly known as the Life of FS Journey. This is a top-down analysis market structure. So let's review this GBP card to know how I'll be able to mark this particular zone that I marked here. Okay, this is a monthly time frame. You cannot see everything well, but let's get to weekly. Why did I mark that very place? This market don't get exalted. I mark this place because this market have shifted structure on a higher time frame. It shifted structure on a higher time frame, and this is it. To tell you that this market is not selling like the way you think, and liquidity is below the other block that I marked. Are you getting me? So liquidity is below the other block. You can see it immediately when you tap the other block. Market started rejecting. Let's go to daily. The more I'm going, the more you're seeing it more better. This market, you just want to correct something and gather momentum to start moving. Do you understand? It have done everything that you need to do. This market have done everything that you need to do. Liquidity have been wiped out, and this is other blocks that fade, liquidity that fades. This candle you see here fade all this liquidity that you're seeing here, and liquidity is below this other block you're seeing. You can see that this other block is showed well in daily and in a weekly time frame. So you waiting for the price to come and take this low that is here, you know that you might be there and miss the trade. Right now we're expecting GBP card to pull back. So, and why did I set my TP at that very high place? I set my TP at that very high place because if you go to 4-hour time frame, you see an order block that might